Boost your productivity with keyboard shortcuts.
Keyboard shortcuts are a secret weapon for saving time and effort when working on your computer. Mastering just a few universal shortcuts can help you move seamlessly between tasks, organize your work, and stay focused. Let's explore 5 of the most powerful shortcuts that can speed up your workflow in almost any program.
Copy and paste. Control-C and Control-V.
Almost everyone knows Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste, but using them skillfully can save hours. Whether you're moving text, links, or files, these shortcuts eliminate repetitive tasks and keep you working efficiently. They work across most applications, including word processors, email, and web browsers.
Undo your last action. Control-Z.
Made a mistake? Control-Z instantly undoes your last action, sparing you from frustration. This shortcut is available in document editing, spreadsheets, graphic design, and even some web forms. Quickly correcting errors with Control-Z empowers you to work faster and with more confidence.
Find anything fast. Control-F.
Searching for information in a long document or on a web page? Press Control-F to open a search box and jump straight to the word or phrase you need. This shortcut saves valuable time scrolling and helps you zero in on important details whether you're reading, coding, or researching.
Switch between applications. Alt-Tab.
When juggling multiple programs, Alt-Tab is your shortcut for switching between open windows. Instead of clicking each icon, simply hold Alt and tap Tab to move back and forth. This keeps your workflow smooth and helps you respond faster when multitasking between projects or tools.
Select all. Control-A.
Need to highlight everything in a document or folder? Use Control-A to select all items instantly. You can quickly copy, delete, or move large amounts of content at once. Control-A is useful across most programs, saving you clicks and preventing missed selections during busy work sessions.
Make shortcuts a habit.
Adopting these 5 shortcuts, Control-C, Control-V, Control-Z, Control-F, Alt-Tab, and Control-A can transform the way you work. Practice them regularly to make these time savers second nature. Small changes add up, leading to greater efficiency and less frustration in your daily digital life.